Today it's raining and I'm out and about and visiting my tree. So today I'm gonna share another way of connecting with the spirit of a tree or a plant, a flower. And you do that by first putting your feet flat on the ground, first connecting with yourself. Maybe you want to take a few breaths and get really connected with your body. Go inside, follow your breath in and out. Through your nostrils, all the way down to your lungs, maybe even to your belly, and all the way up and out through the nostrils. And also notice how your chest and maybe your belly react to the breathing in and the breathing out. If you want to ground by putting roots out of the soles of your feet, as wide and as deep as you need for this moment. And then imagine your field around you, your aura, your energy bodies around you. See it for you. For me it works best when my eyes are closed. I imagine my aura around me, my field. Maybe you see a color. And then you also imagine that the tree shows his or her beautiful energy field. You both are radiating a beautiful light. Everything has energy. Everything is radiating. And then you ask the tree to connect with the energy field of the tree. Can we please connect to energy fields? Touch each other through the energy fields. And already maybe you notice a difference in your energy. And then you absorb in the energy of the tree. You just let it pour into your energy field towards your heart. You let it mix. Let it pour into your aura field and notice the difference. Also into your body. And notice how that feels. What do you notice in your body? Any sensations? Maybe warmth, tickling. Maybe goosebumps. Maybe you have a certain feeling. Maybe your energy is drawn to a certain part of your body. And notice any differences in your body. Maybe words come up, or an image, or a symbol. If it feels comfortable, if you like it, take it in and put out the intention that you want to keep this energy with you, maybe even in this intensity for the coming 24 hours, to let it feed you. And you thank the tree for the energy it's giving you. And you detach your energy field from the tree. And you walk away. And when you're home, or even when you're in the park, you can write down the words, the images, the feelings, the sensations that this tree gave you. And it might be also interesting to look it up. But first, listen to your own intuition, your own feeling, your body. And then, if you want to, you can look it up to see what extras there are. But maybe also resonate or not. And if it feels completely different than what you find, it's not wrong what you're feeling. It's exactly what you needed. Wishing you lots of fun connecting with the trees and the plants and the flowers. Till next time.